In this lesson, let's talk about how to represent division in algebra. Alright, so let me use an example. So for example, if I'm going to take x divided by 5, so x divided by 5 can be written as x over 5. Because you think about it, 1 divided by 5 is 1/5, right? Or 1/5 is the same as 1 divided by 5. So we usually represent division in algebra by a fraction. So if I have 16 divided by x, okay, then now 16 will be the numerator and x will be the denominator. If I take x divided by y, it will be x over y. Okay, so in short, to represent division in algebra, we'll just write it as a fraction. So this will be the numerator. Okay, and this will be the denominator.